bothers me that my bun is not in the frame. There we go. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today we have a haul. Nothing new. I do a lot of hauls. If you can't tell, I'm freaking sick. Being sick sucks. I literally can't breathe and I can't even sleep. Okay, I need to stop complaining. Today I have a haul. This stuff was sent to me from Zaful, so thank you Zaful. But of course my honest opinions, and I'll be showing you guys what I got. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys what I got and trying it on, obviously. Hope you guys enjoy. This is everything I got. I really like I really like the color tones that I got. As you can see, they're very fall. They're getting me in the fall mood, if you know what I'm saying. Don't ask me why I got 3 tank tops when it's literally freezing outside. Yeah, okay, no, I can't even explain. So actually, I got 4 tank tops. So let's bust through these real quick. I'm honestly stupid. These are literally the smallest pieces of fabric. No shade to Zaful. I don't know why I ordered this because it's literally freezing outside. But I got this tank top and this one. They're the same thing. This one's in white and this one's in green. Okay, my voice. I'm sorry. I really can't deal with it. I haven't talked like the whole day. So now that I'm listening to myself, I'm like, ugh. This one's in like olive green. I really like it, but if you can tell, the straps are black, so I don't know if that's gonna look weird, fancy or something. Also, I don't really have boobs, so I don't know if this will look good on me, and I know I'm gonna have to wear like a sticky bra with this or something. So I don't know if it's gonna like look weird, or cause like this wouldn't look good with a bralette. I have no clue how to style this, but luckily for me, I don't have to worry about that for another like 10 months because it's too cool to wear this anyways. But yeah, the quality of this, it's fine. Good with it, chillin'. I really like the white one. And then I got this. This is kind of like a brandy cute. It's just a black tank top, and then it has like the little V cut. And you know, this seems fine. Quality is good and stuff. It's not the same material as brandy. It almost feels like an athletic material. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, maybe I'll wear this to work out. Then I got this tank top. I think this is really cute and the quality is really good. It's like a knit halter top, and I can wear this during the winter. I'll just wear this with like some black jeans, like a denim jacket or something. That'll be cute, right? It looks freaking tiny, but hopefully it'll fit, or else I'll be kind of sad because it's pretty cute. So I'm excited for this. I also, you know, okay, never mind. I'm done talking. I got this top, which I was actually really surprised with. I really like this. I ordered it online thinking like, nah, I'll just put it in the cart. But then when I got it, I was like, I really like this. It kind of looks similar to this a little bit. I don't know. It's like a knit sweater top, and then it has different stripes, and then the top, like the collar, the sleeves, and the bottom are lettuce trim, which I love lettuce trim. So yeah, really love this. I think it's gonna look great, you know? And it's very soft. It's very good quality, honestly. From the first time that I worked with Zaful and got their stuff to now, I can definitely see that they've like improved their quality and their company like as a whole. Like even their packaging of everything has improved so much. I got this top, which I honestly do not remember ordering. You know, it's fine, it's cool. This is like kind of fancy for me, so I don't know where I'm gonna wear this, but it's kind of like a blouse top. It's almost like, it's like a button up, but without the collar, so it's kind of like cuts down low here. And I could definitely wear this with like a bralette and like some boyfriend jeans and heels. I think it would be really cute, but I have nowhere to wear that to because I don't do fancy stuff, you know? Maybe if I feel like dressing nice to school one day because I'm feeling spontaneous or something. But yeah, I like this. I really like vertical stripes too, as you can tell. This is the one thing I don't like. There's nothing wrong with the quality. It's just the shape of it. You'll see it in the try on. It looks freaking weird. It's like maybe if you're into that style, like, you know, you might be able to look cute in it, but I can't look cute. I feel like I look like a a lantern, because I think they're called lantern sleeves. I look like a freaking, like, I don't even know, a giant zucchini, a cucumber, a pumpkin. Okay, I don't know what I was saying. Like, the idea of it's good. It has a mock neck and it's just like big and cozy, like a nice little sweater. But then the sleeves, if you can tell, the sleeves are like huge, so it just goes downhill. So I'm not gonna be keeping this one because I can't look cute in this no matter what. Like, it just doesn't work. But I need water. I can't do this. This is kind of similar, but this one is actually really cute. I've already worn this out. This is just a sweater mock neck. A mock neck sweater. I really, really love this color for fall. It's one of my fave colors recently. I used to be all into the burgundies, and now I'm kind of into this dark, like, evergreen color. Like, it's nice. But this is really, really good quality. It's kind of like vertically ribbed, and it's a knit sweater, and it has a nice mock neck. Keeps you warm. It's a little bit cropped. I really like this. I wish I got this in other colors instead of that other thing. This is so much better. And yeah, perfect for the winter, for the fall. Thumbs up all around. I also got this off the sleeve, off the shoulder sleeve top. Just one of those basic black ones. This is great. Like, I don't know. I'm probably gonna be too lazy to dress cute and wear this. You can pair this with a lot of stuff if you feel like looking cute one day. So maybe I'll be wearing this. Maybe I'll wear this to, like, Christmas or something. I don't know. What am I even saying? Honestly, I'm going crazy, guys. I don't even know what to say right now. I really like it. It's super thin though, so I'm probably not gonna be wearing it outdoors. I don't know. The last two things I got are pants, which I'm excited about because, you know, I'm always saying that I'm trying to get some more, like, exciting pants into the mix instead of just leggings and jeans. So I got these. I really like these ones. They're a little too big, so I'm gonna try to fix them myself, but I'm very bad at doing that, so I don't know how it's gonna work out. But this is what these look like. I've been looking for pants that have, like, this nice, like, business plaid kind of thing going on. And then these they're like high-waisted and they have buttons going up the whole thing. And then they're like rolled at the bottom, cuffed, whatever. Cuffed, cuffing season. Okay, I'm actually insane right now, sorry. Whatever, back to these pants. I thought this would look really, really nice with, like, a black mock neck crop top. Yeah. So I really want to make these fit and make it work because I think these are great. The quality and everything, awesome. And then I got these paper bag pants. Having some high hopes for these. They look like they'll fit great and the quality of these is awesome. They're like gray. These ones have pockets. I love pockets. And then it has the little thing, whatever this is called, belt thing to tie it, and a bow in the front. These are honestly adorable. They're so cute, but, you know, I really need to get my act together because so far this school year, my dressing cute ratio is like once a week, which is really bad because I have a lot of cute clothes. I never wear it. How am I like this? Okay, whatever. Thank you guys for watching this very dysfunctional haul and bearing with me, even though I'm sick and literally losing my mind right now. Yeah, okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have the links to these items down below and the Zaful site. Make sure to follow me on my fashion Instagram if you want to see how I style some of these things, and if you want to see all the cute outfits and cute clothes that I'm not wearing because I'm lazy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!